Havoline is Chevron's synthetic oil, and Mobil 1 is ExxonMobil's, two of the largest petroleum companies in the world going head-to-head in the oil aisle. And most guys buying at Walmart or AutoZone have been defaulting to Mobil 1 for decades without ever seriously considering whether Havoline does anything differently. These are both legacy American oil brands with major corporate resources behind them, but the engineering choices they made are not the same, and for specific truck applications, the difference matters. I'm going to run them head-to-head and tell you which one of these two corporate giants makes the better motor oil for your truck in 2026. Let me set up what you're comparing. Havoline is Chevron's consumer motor oil brand, and in their full synthetic formulation, they use Chevron's proprietary ISOSYN technology, a synthetic base oil process that Chevron developed around their own hydro-treating and isomerization technology. Havoline Pro DS Full Synthetic carries the API-SP certification and ILSAC GF6 compliance. You'll find the 5-quart jug of Havoline Pro DS Full Synthetic 5W30 at Walmart for about $24 to $27. Mobil 1 Full Synthetic is ExxonMobil's flagship product using their PAO and Group 3 synthetic base oil platform with an additive package that has been developed and refined over more than 4 decades of consumer synthetic oil sales. Mobil 1 Full Synthetic 5W30 runs $29 to $31 for a 5-quart jug at Walmart, $4 to $7 more per change than Havoline. Round 1 is wear protection. Both Havoline Pro DS and Mobil 1 carry full API-SP certification and have passed the standardized engine sequence tests for anti-wear performance. Chevron's ISOSYN base oil technology produces a quality Group 3 synthetic base oil that is well regarded in the industry. Chevron's refining technology is used to produce base oils that many other brands purchase and formulate with. The finished Havoline product is a competent, well-engineered, full synthetic. Mobil 1's additive package depth and decades of track record in real-world engine applications gives it a documented edge in long-term wear protection under sustained, severe use conditions. I've seen both oils come out of engines at extended intervals, and Mobil 1 consistently shows slightly cleaner internal surfaces in high-mileage, hard-use applications. Mobil 1 takes round 1. Score: Mobil 1, 1, Havoline, 0. Round 2 is heat resistance. Havoline Pro DS Full Synthetic 5W30 has a flash point around 440 to 446 degrees Fahrenheit and NOAC volatility in the 10 to 13% range in published data and independent testing. Mobil 1 Full Synthetic 5W30 has a flash point around 446 degrees Fahrenheit and NOAC in the 8 to 9% range. The NOAC difference is meaningful here. Mobil 1 burns off less oil at high temperature, retaining more protective mass in your engine under sustained heat stress. For a Ram 1500 towing a heavy fifth wheel through summer heat, or a Silverado working hard in July, Mobil 1's lower volatility means more oil doing its job at peak engine temperature. Mobil 1 takes round 2. Score: Mobil 1, 2, Havoline, 0. Now here's where it gets interesting, because Havoline makes a strong, practical case. Round 3 is cold weather performance and value. Both Havoline Pro DS and Mobil 1 in 5W30 have pour points that handle American winter conditions adequately. Their cold crank performance at -20 and -30 degrees Celsius is comparable in 5W30 formulation. In real-world cold starts across the temperature ranges most American truck owners experience, both oils provide adequate cold start protection in normal winter conditions. There is no practical cold start difference that would be noticeable to a truck owner in real-world American driving. What shifts the calculation here is price. Havoline at $25 is $4 to $6 less per change than Mobil 1. For a budget-conscious truck owner doing 3 oil changes per year, that's $12 to $18 annually, $60 to $90 over 5 years for the same practical cold start protection. Havoline takes round 3 on value. Score: Mobil 1 2, Havoline 1. Round 4 is oil life and total value. Both Havoline Pro DS and Mobil 1 Full Synthetic are rated for up to 10,000 miles under normal service. Neither has a certified interval advantage over the other at their standard formulation. At $4 to $6 less per change with equal interval certification, Havoline provides better value per dollar spent for normal service driving. Havoline takes round 4. Final score: Mobil 1 2, Havoline 2. Here's where I break the tie. 2 criteria settle this comparison. First, if you drive a truck in normal everyday service, a daily driver Ram, Silverado, or F-150 with moderate towing and normal highway and city miles, Havoline Pro DS Full Synthetic at $25 is a legitimate API-SP certified full synthetic that will protect your engine at a lower price. I'm not going to tell someone to pay an extra $5 per change if the real-world protection they're getting is equivalent in their actual use case. Second, if your truck sees genuine severe service, regular heavy towing, sustained hot climates, performance applications, or high-mileage engines pushing hard, Mobil 1's deeper additive package and lower volatility numbers earn their premium in your specific conditions. My honest recommendation: for normal, everyday truck use, grab Havoline Pro DS Full Synthetic 5W30 at Walmart for about $25. For severe service applications, Mobil 1 Full Synthetic at $30. In both cases, pair it with a quality filter, Wix for most applications, and you've got a complete oil change for under $40. Everything I mentioned today is linked in the description below. Havoline and Mobil 1 with the right viscosities for common American truck applications. Next time I'm covering the best oil for towing a trailer, specifically what changes about your oil choice when you're regularly pulling heavy loads, and what you should never run in a tow vehicle. Take care of your engine. It's the only one you've got. I'll see you next time.